Good evening. 2 years ago from now, we have discovered something amazing that no one has ever seen before. Scientists can't explain it. They say it's a different kind. They say it's from 2,000 years ago. But we say it's a new investment for all scientists. Scientists have claimed that they have seen a different kind of animal roaming the streets. They say it might be exotic, it might be unknown. They say it is a pack of wild wolves that roam these areas, that have a connection, but no one knows what. I'm Wasabi, and I'm from Kentucky News.
Jake, call everyone over. Yes, master. Today I got a vision from Angel. She said that evil would be lurking. I don't know what type of evil, but something's coming, I know. It's obviously the Phantom. The Phantom's going to do something. We all know she's going to strike at any moment, and none of us will know. What if you're wrong? What if she's just mistaken and nice and kind? Are you trying to mistaken the Phantom as nice?
Saying, what if we're taking it all seriously? He hypnotized you? Are you okay?
I'm fine. I need to go. I'm gonna go check on her.
All know the plan?
Yes, master.
Yes, master. Ah, Rainbow Flower has showed up. Good to see you.
What is the Phantom doing with Rainbow Flower?
I'm sorry I'm late. They were all talking about evil coming and thought it was you. Listen, I'm planning an attack, but not soon. They're probably meaning a different evil. I do want you to meet someone, though. This is Helena. She's a new member of our clan. It's an honor to meet you. Of course, I've seen a lot of reviews about you. The fact that you are someone special. Someone's... Please don't bring up my past. What do you want me to do? I'm not going to tell you right away. But this is Rainbow Flower from the Alpine pack, or what's left of every pack. I'm going on patrol. All right, see you soon.
I've got to go tell the pack. What are you doing here on the Phantom's territory? I was about to ask the same question. The Phantom was banned from this realm. That was 2,000 years ago. Hun, have you woke up on the wrong side of the bed? We're in the future now, and we're still alive. But in some places, cities surround us. What are you doing here? I was gonna ask you the same thing. The Phantom's just brought a new person into the clan. Have you been seeing someone? Just go back, okay? Fine. I go to Jade. Everyone leave. Vision coming. I wonder if it's from Angel. I wonder if it's from the Phantom. Whatever it is, I know you'll choose it wisely. And dog, you're here. Please don't call me that. My real name is Trixie. Of course. What do you want? Come to tell you the Phantoms accepted someone into the pack. Someone new? Rainbow Flower? No, someone else. But yes, there's something bad about Rainbow Flower too.
What is it?
Well, you see, the Phantom's taken full control of her. I heard her talking last night, and she said that on the full blood harvest moon, she's going to give the final ritual to all of us.
What is that?
Your pack, it's basically a ritual where you I swear I will never turn against, but except the Phantom, kind of uses her eyes and powers, well, very little powers that she has in her wings, and instead of healing it so they'll be normal, she heals it so that they'll be evil. It's really complicating. You know how Rainbow Flower's blind in one eye?
Yes, I do.
Well, that was the first stage, and the second stage was always meeting with the Phantom and making sure that she'd always be healed by her, so that every time she got scratched, would heal her so she'd have more power of the Phantom in her. And the third stage is the Harvest Moon. Basically, the Phantom uses her wings, puts her wings over people's eyes. It says the words, actually there is no words, but she puts her wings over them, and her eyes kind of glow really big, and then, yeah. Stage are you and the other person on? Stage 2. But I don't want to become one of her. Okay. Didn't she have a person with her called Water Horse or something? Because Water Horse wasn't obeying the rules, Phantom killed her. What? She's dead. But I don't want to become one of Phantom's people. I want to become one of you. You see, I've been seeing you for 2 weeks now. It's complicating. Understand. I'll have to talk to the people. We don't do anything on the blood moon, but on the full moon we do. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. So, you were talking to Demon Dog. Were you eavesdropping? You're talking to the enemy? I'm not talking to anyone, and it's none of your business. Whatever. Is it really true? Rainbow Flower's part of the Phantom now? Sorry, Juniper, you have to hear this way. I'm gonna go now. Oh my gosh. Jade. Jade. Who's there? You know you want to. What are you? Angel? Okay, whoever you are, you were silent for a minute and now you're not. Who are you? No, silly. It's someone else. Who? Me. Surprise. Aw, poor Jade doesn't have her clan to help her anymore. Poor girl, she's all defenseless and alone. What do you want? I want you to stop talking to my henchmen. And if you don't, well, I will attack you. I am already planning, once Rainbow Flower's under my control, on the final step. You know. How did you even find me or get to me? Oh, Jade, didn't you hear? Before your dad died, he didn't tell you? I'm surprised he didn't. Or your dad had half control of me. I was controlling your father. He was on stage 2. Why'd you kill him then? He wasn't worthy. So was the rest of the people that died on that battlefield. Say, you've made your camp here on the battlefield? Surprise. I thought I destroyed you for good. It has no control over me anymore. My wings give me all the power. I broke that force field. I broke free of that place. And now I'm here for revenge. Bye-bye. I had it. Seriously? Does everybody keep following me today? Hey, Jade. You doing all right? Didn't I tell you a month ago I was done with you? Now leave me alone. You okay? Why does everybody keep following me? Nobody keeps following you. It's just you. Are you okay? Yeah, I think I just need a walk. I need to go. Bye. Bye. I know what to do. Meet her at the edge. Don't let her suspect. And pretend I don't even know you, and I'm just coming to join her pack. I got it. Finally, a place where it's quiet. Who's there? You.